Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're here with Lick My Toes. Lick My Toes, say hi, don't be shy.
Boy.
They said hi. It's a good hi, so let's see what's in the shop. So,
Yeah.
let's go.
TNT.
We got this one.
TNT is at my house. TNT is at my house.
Yeah, I'm at his home. We got this thing, goofy out thing. We get and all that stuff. So I'm gonna try on Lemmings the new Lemmings loot. Should I buy it? Should I?
I don't know.
Should I? Should I buy the
key?
key?
Hot with it on.
I want to buy something. I don't know what it is. Well, maybe, no, I don't know. Maybe there. Oh my god, jacket's too much. Not one of those. What I have not bought. Maybe that pink hat? No. Have to try that on. I bought everything over here except the headphones. Don't have enough for those. I'm gonna have to buy the Lemming loot chat. It's kind of nice. I'll get up there. After we're gonna go into Monkey Blocks.
Dakota,
Actually, bye. What?
I'm about. Should I buy this? Here, let me bring it to you.
Yes, you should buy that, bro. I think every person has that one. It's pretty good.
But if I buy it, I'll have no shiny rocks left.
Oh. I'm buying something in the Easter flashback. Not the Easter, the Easter steel critter, I guess. Collection. I don't know how to say words.
Look at my new.
That's kind of really good. Yeah. I'm trying the eggs.
Is my head going up? Is my head going up?
No, okay. No, not really. Wait, can we show the eggs? Egg you. Egg you. Egg. Oh, take an egg off me. Take an egg off me. Take an egg off me. Take an egg. Hey,
Wait,
me.
How do you use these?
I might get this.
How do you sunscreen? How do you sunscreen someone?
Get the sunscreen. Just over here. I'm gonna buy something from here. I need to get a good price. I kind of want to buy this. It's too much. What is good?
Where's the sunscreen?
Sunscreen's right there. See it?
Oh.
I really wanted the special, but I guess that's my gone light. I might buy. I kind of wanna. I don't know what to. Oh, is this cool?
TNT, come here. TNT.
Oh, you don't mean. Should I buy this? If it was up to me, I'd. Stop for a sec. I see how I look. Talk to them.
Yeah.
If this world was my head, oh, no, not look good.
Yeah.
I'm recording. Ooh, I want to buy it. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I kind of need one shirt right now. Too much. Okay.
Cooper, get out of my room.
What's cool?
Never mind, there was a balloon.
Ooh, those glasses. I'm gonna look like a nerd. Or I could eat my snake.
What the butt is the snake?
I don't honestly know. I really want that, but I can't. Wait, I want to see this. Like one of these.
I mean, TMT, your mom's at my house.
I know. Ooh,
where do you want to go?
I don't know. I'm trying to pick a good customer. I'm buying something. I know. It's that one, maybe. Take 'em on there.
TMT.
Why? I might buy the dirt face. Kind of good.
I am 55. What challenge badge are you?
I'm like, I don't know. Should I get this? Nah. This is cool. These are real cool, but I don't have enough. Come on. I didn't cost 1,000.
What?
I don't think I'm buying anything. Alright, let's go to Monkey Blocks.
What?
Let's go to Monkey Blocks. Come on, Monkey Blocks. Come on.
I have no shiny rocks. I just meant them.
Good boy. Come on, Sean. Let's go.
TNT, where are you?
Over here.
Do you want to go to the critters?
We're going to Monkey Blocks.
Okay.
The other beautiful. What's me? We're in monkey blocks. Come on.
Monkey block.
Monkey blocks. Ooh, is it anything new? Anything new? Okay, okay.
Let's
Okay,
see.
come get the cake. Ooh. Where's the cake? Just put it on there. Wait, where's the wrong one? Do not break that. Let's go try it. There we go. Go right in to try it. Ooh. I'm gonna try it. Oh, this is not fun. It's okay. Take me.
What's not fun?
That thing makes you dizzy. What's that? Bitchy.
Oh my gosh, this is not fun.
I know, right?
Oh my gosh. It's actually making me so dizzy right now. Okay, so.
Then let's try this weird obstacle. Oh. Try that weird obstacle. I'm gonna try the obstacle.
What?
I'm gonna try the obstacle. Try this out. Let me try this. No, Owen, I know what I can make with this. I can make the lagging machine. Want me to make the lagging machine? I need tons of these.
This,
Lagging machine.
here, I'll go get more.
You get all of them, because I'm going to make the
Okay.
lagging machine. The lagging machine is so cool. It makes your game crash out. But no, not really, but it's so cool. Wait, you can do that?
Here's another one.
Okay, there you Okay. Okay, for the lagging machine. Ugh. Owen, okay. Okay. Oh, I think that's good.
What are we gonna do?
Do not do anything. Do not do anything, Owen. This is really serious. Okay, Owen. Ready? I'll tell you how it really lags. Go in there, Owen. Go in there and it really lags. Watch this. Ready?
Where are you?
Over here. Come on. Watch. This makes your game crash, kind of, just to let you know. Kind of four. But now it's not lag. Oh,
Yeah, they all just went wrong.
I built it wrong.
Yeah, I really think you built it wrong.
I don't know
Yo,
how to do.
Dakota. I mean, Team T, look at that. They were looping.
You can call me by my name. I don't care. I'm gonna tell the vlog. All right, guys. My name is Dakota. So if you guys want to call me that in the comments, don't care. Just let you know. You call me that name. Oh wait.
How are-
Lollipop. Ooh, lollipop. Ooh, I want to see what this is. Fan. Ooh, some dinner chat. A bed. Some. We're gonna make a house. We need a little bed. Dinner table bed. Purple. Okay, this is the bussin' wallpaper. I need it. Perfect. Wait. King of Gorilla Tag, we all love you. Oh no, watch this. Hi. Oh, and I can show you how I did it.
Where
Ready?
are you?
Get back to big. Get back to big. 2 hands like this and just and you go flying. Put them in and just go fly. I can teach you. No. Like this. Like this. Turn big. 2 right hands. Push up. Oh,
I turn tiny.
I know, but you have to do it right. Like this. 1, 2. Oh, and just like this. Ready? 1, 2, and do this. And do that and push it. And then you should go flying.
Oh my gosh.
So fun.
Oh,
Oh, it's so long.
try to guess where I am.
I don't know where you are. Tickle my toes, lick my ligma. Sigma.
Yes, I'm dancing.
You are dancing. You are on the way. I'm gonna come up there. We don't leave on to go up there. Man. I got stuck in it.
Yeah, you just turned big.
I'm coming to you. Chat house is not working. Hi. Yo, I might just talk up here. There we go. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Of course, you guys had to like and subscribe. And see you in another vlog. Bye.